Hey guys, got a 2019 plate BMW X1 here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this. So for this one, we're going to go to the screen in the centre of the dash. And we're going to use these controls down here in the middle. So first, we're going to press the menu button. Transfer us to this. And we're going to scroll right using this to go to My Vehicle. And press the button in. And you're going to come down to where it says vehicle status, and then click the big round button in again. Then it says tyre settings, click in, and then go up to perform reset. So first, obviously make sure your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures. Press perform reset. And now what it says is to check tyre pressure, drive off. So you just drive around for about 2 minutes and then it will reset the pressures for you. And that's it.